So, welcome everybody. I'm going to go, I can share because I've been given the power to share my, and people who know me know that I'm not overly keen on presentation, so I've kept it to a minimum, just pretty pictures really. And I'll talk you through. So to give you a little bit of a heads up on what tonight is about, I've called it 5S to Keto Lifestyle Thinking. So even though we're talking in the context of keto, it's all about our thinking around it, and it's not just about the keto lifestyle, it's about our lives in general. So there's a lot of stuff there, and what will happen is I'll talk for a bit, or quite a bit actually tonight, because I'm going to go through the slides. Now how this come about was we did this over 5 weeks, so you're getting a bit of a condensed 5 weeks output into an hour. So I'll try and summarize as best I can. If there's any questions that need to be asked during, after, or even when I've come off air, that's okay as well. So just relax. People who know me as well know that there has to be a poem involved somewhere, so I will be reading a poem, and it's actually relevant to tonight as well because it's about thinking. It's called Get Out of Your Head, and I've sort of repurposed it for tonight. So even though I wrote it over a year ago. So I'm going to share the screen, and I'm going to for once allow the slides to drive me, and I will fill in as we go along, and I will share my story a little bit, my keto story, and I will explain what I like to call the 5S, or the 5 secrets. I've called it secrets now, so it won't be a secret after tonight.